Hello everyone, welcome to the Tilottama Handlooms YouTube channel. I am Chaitanya. Today I am going to show you our very exclusive Jamdani saree collections. All these sarees are Bengal sarees, handloom sarees, and material is silk cotton. So we are start to see our sarees today, and before starting I told you the booking procedure. Booking procedure is very easy. Just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number 7890721706. And if you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. As the Christmas sale is going on, we are uploading video till December, which are you get it in discounted prices. One more Christmas offer is there. If you buy 3 sarees together, you will get additional 5% discount with the free shipping all over India. There is no cash on delivery right now. We are taking only the prepaid online orders, and after the payment confirmation, we will send it by courier within 24 hours. So you can grab the offers as the Christmas is going on and our sale is going on. And we are we are doing wholesale also. So if you like to take the sarees in wholesale basis, then you can contact the same number 7890721706. So I am starting to show you the sarees now, and the sale price is given in the screen. This is our first saree. This is the pure handloom Jamdani. This is Dhakai Jamdani. You can say this is also Dhakai Jamdani. But the sarees are made in Bengal, in West Bengal, where our weavers made it. It's not imported from Dhaka or Bangladesh. It's our Bengal handloom sarees, Bengal looms. And this is our first saree. This is self Dhakai Jamdani in red color, very vibrant, very demanding color also. And the work you are seeing this in saree, this work are purely hand woven saree. Okay, and all over the work you are seeing right now, these are the purely hand woven work. And this is the pure red. This is pallu. It's pallu. All these Jamdani sarees are without blouse pieces. I forgot to mention that before. The sarees are without blouse pieces, and the sale price given in the screen. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is the saree number 1, and there is no gap in the saree. All over have the same weaving. I can give you the full look of this one. The Jamdani sarees are without blouse pieces. So the saree come without blouse piece, and saree length is 5.5 meter. This is the first saree. This is another very beautiful color combination. The base color is off-white, and the yellow work all over the body. This is a soft Jamdani. Today I am showing you all the sarees are soft Jamdani. Okay, and the sarees you will get it in discounted prices as our Christmas sale is going on. So this is the full saree, and this is a body part. It's a typical Jamdani work border. In the both side have the same Jamdani work border, and body have the buttas on it in the yellow. Okay, and this is the pallu. This is the Jamdani pallu. All these work are hand woven. It's not the printed one. This is the hand woven Jamdani. See, this is the work. Very beautiful color combination. It's very elegant also. It's off-white with the yellow color combination. This is the pallu. Right now I'm showing, and this is the body part. It's light off-white with the yellow combination. I can show you the full saree. This is semi-transparent, and the material is silk cotton. It's our Bengal Jamdani. Okay, all over saree going through like this, and both side border have the same border. This is the saree. Okay. There is no gap in the work. This is full saree. I am showing you the full saree. And the border is also very beautiful. It's Jamdani work border, and the body have the buttas on it. Number 2, sale price is given in the screen. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot. The next saree, saree number 3, and this saree body color is dark blue. It's dark blue with the sea green border on it, and it has a small meenakari work all over the saree, and it has the polka dots design all over the saree, and the polka dots are weaving one. It has a small meenakari work, pink and zari meenakari work all over the saree, It's soft Jamdani, material is silk cotton, and this is the pallu. It's floral pallu, and all over the saree have the same. I am giving you the close look right now. This is the pallu part. See the close look of the pallu design. All the design you are showing, I am showing you right now. This is a hand woven design. See, this is the pallu. This is the full pallu, and body work also. See, this is the border, and the polka dots you are seeing right now. The polka dots with the sea green, pink, and golden zari, and this is all the weaving one, not the printed one. And the material is silk cotton, very comfortable material, and lightweight also. You can check this one. And the sarees are without blouse pieces. You can wear it with your any designer blouse also. So this is the saree look, and if you like the saree, please take a screenshot on WhatsApp. This is another very beautiful color combination. This is baby pink color. It's soft baby pink one with a white color combination. It has the Jamdani work border. Both sides have the Jamdani work border with all over this floral Jamdani work. And this is the pallu. This is a small pallu with the Jamdani work, and all over the saree have the same design going on. There is no gap. The price depends on the work, how the work is heavier. Jamdanis are silk cotton, and this is the close look of this one. Very pretty, very beautiful. And this is the pallu. See, all this Jamdani work. It's not printed one, so I am giving you the close look of this saree, so you see the quality of this sarees. And as the Christmas offer is going on, so you will get these sarees in discounted prices. So grab it first. This is another one. This is a light orange with a yellow combination. The color combination is very soothing and very soft color combinations. And the saree is also very soft. There is no starch on this saree. And material is silk cotton, so it's very lightweight also. And hand woven saree. These are hand woven sarees. And the work you are seeing, it's very beautiful. Color combination also very pretty. So check it. And this is the border. This is Jamdani work border. Both sides have the Jamdani work border, and body has the small floral buttas with small polka dots on it. All over the saree have the same. It's not like that. The saree work is only the front part. This saree, I am giving you all the saree picture. This is the front part, and see, this is the close look of the saree. This is the border part, and all over the saree work also there is small floral motifs. This is the saree look. This is have the small floral motifs all over the saree. It has a green touch in the flowers and border also. It has a green meenakari work in it. This is another saree, another pink baby pink color with a golden zari weaving design on it. This is all over have the same Jamdani work with the golden zari, and the border also very beautiful, work also very different with the others. This is golden zari weaving border. It has a small pink butta meenakari work. See, this is a close look of the saree. This is the work. This is golden meenakari work, very beautiful one. And the pallu I am showing you. This is the border. Both sides have the same border. Okay, this is golden one, beautiful also. This is the pallu. All over the saree have the same golden meenakari work. Some people like with the zari Jamdani, so I am giving a few options to book the Jamdani with the golden zari. This is the small pallu, and all over body going through like this. The same work going through like this. Okay, the full saree look. I am showing you the full saree. This is front and this is back. Okay. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Now I am showing the same one which I am wearing today, the grey one with the silver zari. This is a silver zari Jamdani with the. This is the pallu part. See, this is the pallu part of the saree. This is Jamdani weaving pallu. This is the pallu. Its body is grey color with the silver zari Jamdani, and this is the body. And show you the. This is the border. Okay. Both sides have the same border with the small black meenakari work on it. This is the inside of the saree. all over the saree have the same work going through like this. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is one very beautiful one. Color combination is very beautiful. It's two shades of blue. Its body is a dark blue with a light blue, or it's a Firozi blue border. You can say it's Firozi blue border. Firozi blue border both sides and buttas. See, this is a close look of this one. Okay, this is the border and buttas in the Firozi blue, and the body is in the royal blue. It's dark one. This is pallu. This is the pallu, small pallu. Okay, these sarees, all these sarees are without blouse pieces. I am telling you again, this is the sarees without blouse pieces, 5.5 meter long. And if you like these sarees, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. WhatsApp number 7890721706. And if you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for regular notification. This is another saree, very beautiful color. It's dark wine colored body with the purple color work on it. This is self jamdani. It's dark wine color body. Color is very beautiful one. See, I am giving you the close look of this saree. This is the soft jamdani. All these sarees which I am showing today, all these are the soft jamdani. This pallu, it's jamdani work pallu, and jamdani. See, this is the jamdani work all over the body, and this is the pallu. Sorry, this is this one the border. You can check the border. This is the border part, and all over saree have going through like this. This is soft jamdani one. This is Bengal saree. It's purely made in Bengal, and this is soft one. It's without starch. It's a very soft saree, lightweight also. So if you like the saree. This is another off-white body. Base color is off-white with the black and yellow color combination, floral design all over the saree. Soft one, soft jamdani. This is the pallu. It's a very beautiful pallu. This is elegant also. And this saree is also without blouse pieces. The pallu. The work you are seeing right now in pallu. Okay. This is the pallu. And this is the body. All these work are hand woven work. It's border, and this is the buttas and motifs you can check. This is the hand woven. The material is silk cotton, and the saree, all the sarees are in sale right now as our Christmas sale is going on. So grab the sarees as soon as possible. This, if you like the saree, please take a screenshot. Saree which I am showing, the same saree, but color combination is different. It's sky blue body with a white and pink yellow color combination meenakari. It's multicolored jamdani. It's see the work. All this work are hand woven work, and this is the floral motifs all over the saree, and this is the jamdani pallu. So this is the jamdani pallu, and border is in white with the pink and yellow color combination. So I'm giving you the close look of the pallu right now. This is the pallu work. Okay, and this is the front part of the saree, and all over the saree have the same, going through like same way. Okay. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot. Very beautiful color combination. It's off-white body. The body has the small meenakari work, small buttas in the cream color, and the border we're using it's light pink. It's fuchsia pink, you can say also. It's very light pink, and the saree is very lightweight also. It's without starch. This is the pallu. See the work. The material is silk cotton, and this is the pallu work. Okay, and see the body part also. This is the border, and the body buttas is going through like this. Okay. So this is the saree look. If you like the saree, please take a screenshot. As the Christmas offer is going on, so you can get all these sarees in discounted prices right now. This is another self jamdani. There is no other color except orange. This is self orange jamdani, and all over saree have the same work going through like this. This is the pallu. See, this is the pallu. Pallu is in orange with the meenakari, golden meenakari, small golden meenakari work on it. This is the pallu, and the body work going to like this. Okay, this is the part, border and body work like this. This is a soft jamdani, soft orange colored self jamdani, and as the Christmas sale is going on, so you are getting the sari in discounted prices. So grab the offer, grab the sarees as soon as possible. We are taking only online orders, though there is no COD facility right now. So the payment option is very easy. You can pay online, any type of online payment we are accepting, and we are sending it by courier. And we are doing wholesale also. For wholesale inquiry, you can contact the same number 7890721706. The number is given in the screen. This is another one. The work is very beautiful. This is dark peacock blue. The body color is dark peacock blue with the sea green border, sea green work on it. The color is sea green. It's sea green. It's not the normal blue. This is the sari work. It's pallu. It's looking like it's blue. It's not normal blue. The work you are seeing right now, it's sea green. The sari really beautiful. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot. This is another sari, very elegant one. This sari is grey color body with a black border on it, and it has a small diamond shaped buttas all over the sari. Soft jamdani material silk cotton. This is the pallu. It has a small meenakari work in the pallu also. Small golden meenakari work in the pallu. Okay. The material is silk cotton. It's semi-transparent sari, and the very soft one also. See, this is a close look of the sari work. Its border. See the border and the work also. All over the body going through like the same work. Okay. Soft jamdani. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot. This is another color. This is a beige color body. Beige color soft jamdani. It's beige soft jamdani with the self work on it. And this is the self work all over body going through like this. This is the pallu. It has also in self work, and it has a small meenakari work in the body. See the work. It's border. This is the body work. The body work is very ornamental. Okay. See, this is the work. It's dark beige color body, and the sari work is all over the sari. Have the same work going through like this, and there is no gap in the sari. The sari is silk cotton and very lightweight also. And here all these saris get in discounted prices. So sari price mentioned in the screen. And if you like the sari, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. This is another sari, another color combination. This is dark pink color body with the orange color work on it. The border and body of work, the jamdani work in the orange color. And see the close look of this one. Okay, this is the border and body. Body look going through like this. All over her body have the same work. There is no gap in it. And this is the pallu. All these work are hand woven work. All these sarees are hand woven jamdani sarees, which I am showing today. All these sarees are hand woven jamdani sarees, and this is made by originally in Bengal. There is no, all these sarees are not the Bangladeshi jamdani one. This is the Bengal jamdani sarees, and the material is silk cotton, and the very soft one, comfortable one. If you like the sarees, please take a screenshot. Also, if you like to purchase in wholesale, so you can contact the same number also. If you have any shop, if you have a boutique, then you can also contact us for wholesale purchase also. This is our last saree of this episode. This is green self jamdani. It has the small the piping border, yellow piping border on the border. Both sides have the small piping border, yellow colored piping border, and body has the small buttas on it. It has the jamdani border, and this is a pallu. This is a floral pallu. Now see the close look of this saree. Okay, this is the saree border and pallu, and this is the saree. See, this is the border part. This is the border part, and body have the small buttas like this, and border going through like this. This is a sari look. If you like the sari, please take a screenshot of this sari. Thank you so much watching our video till end. And if you like our sarees, like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for your regular notification. As the Christmas sale is going on, we are uploading video till December, which are you get it in discounted prices. Okay, that's all for today. Happy shopping with us. Bye bye.